Okay, so today we're going to graph some more inequalities on a number line. And the first one's already done for us. Hopefully you have your paper out and ready to go. The example is x is greater than or equal to 9. So I notice here, since it's equal to, it's a filled in circle. So that it includes the number 9. So x is going to be 9 or greater than 9. So then they have the darker line going to the numbers greater than or to the right of 9. So we're going to start with x is greater than or equal to 195. So 195, because it says equal to, we're going to start and we're going to include 195 in the results. Now it says that it's going to be greater than or equal to. So since it's greater than, we're going to fill the line in the numbers to the right because they are bigger than 195. All right, so let's next take a look at number 2. So number 2 says x is greater than 16. So there's no equal to there. So it does not include the 16. So we're going to go to the 16 and we're going to leave an open circle. Now, we have to determine, are they saying greater than or are they saying less than? So it says x is greater than. So that means that all of the numbers it could be will be greater than or bigger than 16. So I'm going to have to draw my line to the numbers that are bigger than 16. Notice here there's no equal to at all, so we have to leave an open circle. All right, x is greater than or equal to negative 40. So since it says equal to, we're going to include negative 40 in the answer. So it says greater than. So all of the numbers that are bigger than negative 40 are going to be to the right. So we're going to include all of the numbers to the right because those are bigger than negative 40. All right, so let's take a look at number 4. Number 4 says x is greater than or equal to, equal to, I know what I'm going to need to do, 120. So since it has the equal to, I have to include 120 in the results. All right, so it's a filled in circle. So it says x is greater than or equal to 120. So I'm going to have to fill it in to the right. Number 5, x is greater than or equal to 18. Aha, greater than or equal to. If it says or equal to, I have to include that number in the results. So since it says greater than, I have to include all of the numbers that are bigger than 18. All right, so I'm going to skip down here to number 9. I want you to skip down to number 9. X is less than or equal to negative 15. So since it says or equal to, I have to include negative 15. Now, it says less than. So with negative 15, if I want less than, I have to go to the numbers to the left and to include the numbers that are less than negative 15. Let's take a look at number 10. Number 10 says x is less than 170. Does it say we're equal to? No, it does not. So since it does not, I have to have an open circle. So it says x is less than 170. So I have to include all of the numbers less than 170. Okay, so I have left 6 problems for you to do. I have left 6 through 8 and 11 through 13. I would like you to try those tonight, bring this paper back tomorrow, we'll go over it, And if you have any questions at that time, or if you have any questions now, you can always email me and I will get back to you. All right, I want you to keep watching, stay curious, always keep learning. See you tomorrow.